Hello and welcome back to Money for Dummies, where today we're going to be learning about Pump.Fun and how to create a coin on Pump.Fun. So first, what is Pump.Fun? Pump.Fun is a platform that is built on the Solana blockchain where people and users can create and trade meme coins and other tokens. It's perfect for beginners as there's no coding required and trading tokens happens instantly. With Pump.Fun, creating tokens is easy as you can easily customize the names, tickers, and images. Once your token has been created, they are immediately tradable, and you can also participate in a community-driven platform that encourages interaction between the creators and traders. However, there's also risks and controversies with Pump.Fun, and some of the risks are soft rug pulls, where the creator of a token sells off all of their ownership of it, causing crashes. Unpredictable user behavior can also affect token values. Always keep an eye on tokens if you're planning on buying them to make sure they are legitimate. Pump.Fun has seen massive growth since its launch in 2024, with over 5.1 million tokens created since its launch. Its meme coin appeal makes it fun and creative, and its low barrier to entry opens the world of crypto to everyone. Alright, now that we know what Pump.Fun is, let's go ahead to the website and create a token. Go ahead and click I'm ready to pump, and then go to the top right corner and click Connect Wallet. From here, you want to connect with Phantom and enter your Phantom wallet password. After you enter it, click Unlock, connect to Pump.Fun, and then click Confirm. After you confirm, Pump.Fun will ask you to create a profile. But if you do not want to change it, you can go ahead and click Close, and then click Close again. Now go to the top of the screen and click Start a New Coin. Here you can add a name, you can add a ticker, description, and an image. And if you go ahead and click Show More Options, you can also add a Telegram link, website link, and Twitter or X link. You can also see that when your coin completes its bonding curve, you also receive some SOL. And this is basically all you need to add to make a crypto or meme coin. So let me go ahead and create that real quick. Alright, I've created this meme coin really quickly. Its name is Pepe, the ticker is Pepecoin, and in the description I've just said it's a Pepe, and I added an image of it. So let's go ahead and click Create Coin, and here it'll ask you if you want to buy any before anyone else. You do not if you don't want to, but usually if you're serious about your coin, you usually want to buy some. But let's go ahead and click Create Coin. It will create it, and in the bottom right you can view your coin. Here you can see all of your info about your coin. You can see the bonding curve, King of the Hill. You can also see your holder distribution. And in the threads is also where you can talk to the holders. And in trades, you can see if anyone is trading or holding your coin. And that's it. That is how you create a coin on Pump.Fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.